smartkembo discover science. As today I'm going to show you this another project. So project is based on handy gestures, turning on or off AC lamp by using handy. And this project I'm done is using a Python and the Arduino IDE. So before continuing to this project, let me inform you something. I want to inform you that my Telegram account has been hacked. Please do not trust any message or request coming from my account until the father's notes. I'm working on recovering it and will update you as soon as I have regained the control. In this meantime, please be cautious and avoid sharing any sensitive information with the account. If you receive any suspicious message, please ignore or report them. Thank you for your understanding. Be regardless of smartkembo discover science. So let's get started to this project. So this is our a Python. So this is a Python program. So as you see here, I saved as LED hand gestures.py. Also, as you see, you have this. We need to send the serial communication between the Python and Arduino board. So my Arduino board, you see on tools, and you have to select. As you see, let me plug in my Arduino board. So for this project, I'm done with Arduino Mega. So let's see. Click. You see this port is COM5. So you have to light. You have to edit on this Python. Depends on your this port. So it depends. Even COM3, you can light COM3. If you got port 10, you have to light port 10. We do this in order to make communication between the computer and the Arduino board. So also we have this circuit diagram for my project. As you see, I'm using this Arduino. You can use, it depends on your board you have. For me, I'm drawing this on circuit as Arduino Uno, but you can use Arduino Mega, Arduino Nano, or any boards, depends on this family Arduino. So I'm using pin 12 to connect with this relay, and I have to control these devices with 220 voltage. So let's see on our program. This is an Arduino IDE. So as you see, LED pin, or you can light delay, depends on what you need. So this is pin 12. Also as I draw on this circuit. Also we do a serial, as I said before, we do a serial communication between the Arduino and the Arduino and Python. So when your fingers is up to 5, it count 5, so this LED will be low. So this I'm lighting this because of my relay that I'm using, so don't worry. If you can put 5, you have to light high. If 0, you have to put low, depends on your relay. For my relay, it need to do like this one. So let's get back to our. So as you see, this is my Python program. So this I'm learning on a supplement text to learn my program. So I'm click Control B to learn this program. And then you see the camera will be on, and now your project is ready to work. So even I put my 5 fingers on a camera, this bulb will be on, and even I close, the bulb will be off. So it counts these fingers up to 5. This bulb will be on, then off. Yep, even I remove a hand from the camera also, still this bulb will be on until I'll turn back and put to close my hand, so this will be off also. So even low, high, 5 means high, 0 means low. Even I close, low, on, off. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, boom, on. And I close, low will be, this bulb will be off, even on, off. So you can try these projects at your home. Make sure you have cameras, also your computer. You can do this project well fine. Well, for this now, I'm trying to put two hands, but not working, as you see, until this detected the hands on for lights. So see, left not detected, yes, detected, but no counting here. So we are working to this one. So for light, yeah, it'll be on or off. So thanks for this video. If you like, don't forget to comment, to subscribe to our channel for more videos. And